In the heart of an ancient civilization, a calendar was created that would astound even the most advanced modern science, boasting a level of accuracy that many have come to admire. This calendar, unlike any other, was designed not only to keep track of time, but also to align celestial events with agricultural cycles. As the sun rises over the horizon, the priests gather to mark the beginning of the planting season, their calculations ensuring that crops would flourish. This remarkable understanding of celestial patterns reflects a deep connection between the cosmos and daily life, far beyond mere timekeeping. In the vibrant marketplace, every transaction is influenced by the ancient calendar's precise cycles, demonstrating how integral this system was to society. As the sun sets, the old historian captivates young minds passing down wisdom and illustrating how the calendar guided their ancestors through seasons and celebrations.